Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Ninja Swirl by CREAMi, ice cream and soft serve maker, Sorbet, Milkshake, frozen yogurt, low calories program and more. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. Scoop or swirl, customize flavors and choose between classic scoops or soft serve outputs. With 13 versatile one-touch programs, there's a frozen treat for everyone. 6 added soft serve programs, go beyond classic scooped ice cream with soft serve, fruit whip, frozen custard, CREAMIFIT, swirled frozen yogurt and light ice cream. Customization, create customizable treats as unique as you are. Control ingredients for low sugar, dairy-free, lower calorie, nut-free, high protein, and vegan options. Own your flavor, own your way, one machine fits all. Soft serve at home, bring the ice cream shop to your countertop and unlock soft serve at home. CREAMIFIT program, a revolutionary way to enjoy ice cream. This program is engineered to process lower calorie, high protein treats for a one-spin solution to the perfect pint. Mix-ins, customize the flavor and texture of your CREAMi classics by mixing in your favorite chocolate, nuts, candy, fruit, and more. Easy to clean, swirl pints, lids, paddle, and swirl press are all BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Family-friendly fun, share cones, and make memories. The automatic soft serve handle has 3 speed settings, making swirling cones easy, interactive, and fun for all ages. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.